Okay, so I'm trusting my driver here to bring Mama to safety. Right, Pepe? You're my driver. Better do.
Hello beautiful people! Welcome to Celebrity Home. Corina Sanchez dinala sina Pepe at Pilar sa Rojas City. Exciting trip for the twins. It's their first time in their Rojas family origins in Rojas City and other parts of Capiz Province. Tagal na rin sila hinihintay dito. Ito ang nasabi ni Corina sa mga larawan at videos nila ng kanilang mga anak ni former Senator Mar Rojas. Nakakatuwang makita ang kambal na anak ni Mar at Corina na sina Pepe at Pilar na pinapasyalan ang lugar kung saan galing ang kanilang pamilya.
Na kami sa Capiz, sa balay sa Capiz.
Okay, so I'm trusting my driver here to bring Mama to safety. Right, Pepe? You're my driver. Better do good.